Everybody, welcome to Cats and Crafts Life. Make sure to subscribe. I only have 11 subscribers. It is free, does not cost anything, and on my channel, go to post, and there's going to be a quiz, and yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Hope you like our brand new banner that I made yesterday. And we're gonna make a bookmark, so let's get started. This is the bookmark. We're gonna be making a brand new one, so let's complete that. Be needing string, a stapler, scissors, glue, I'm using clear, glitter, a pom-pom, mini plastic bag, do not cut it, and a small rectangle of foam. Make sure it fits the plastic bag, and you'll be seeing why later on in the video. Get the plastic bag, put glue in it. We're gonna need a lot more than this. More than this, or you can spread it around. You can spread it around if you want. Needing the glitter. On the foam. Glue on the foam. This is it so far. Let it dry for a little bit. Still drying. Wait for about like 7 minutes. While it's drying, I'm going to show you my videos that I want you to check out. My favorite shorts is this one with Tucker and Carmen. It's really cute, so make sure to check that out and subscribe like Carmen in the video said. And the Barbie cat one is really funny, and if you don't understand this part, like where Maxwell the cat is walking that way, it's like he's on the red carpet and he's like going with the music. And with the cute llama plant glitter, I really want you to make it. It looks really cute when it's done. I have it in my room. Let me show you to you. It's this. It's a really good transformation, so please do the video. You will be so happy when that's in your room. Then there's the donkey one. I did not make a name for it, but I think it's going to be named Donkey Roll, like the song. And this one, if you can't see Maxwell, he's right here, and he's gonna run. It's really funny. Surfing dog, really cute. Tucker's surfing, and I do not know what Carmen's doing. This one is really funny. Make sure to check that out. With the snake, it's summer, because I do not know where my snake is in the cage. This one is a cat envelope. It's really cute. And I kind of messed up on that. Accidentally glued right here, so that's what I mean when I rub it off. Make a fidget. That's the same exact thing with what I'm doing. It's just I ran out of mini plastic bag, so I needed to use a Ziploc bag. And this one is my oldest. It reached 55 views. So make sure to check them out. Yeah. Okay, I feel like it's about dried. And now we're going to have a string and a pom-pom right here. And look, we're going to tie it on. Let's do this. I like tying it first and then put the pom-pom on, because you can adjust it, which I like. And I'm going to be tying it a knot. The tighter the better. And tied on. I did a knot there. And then it's like a little dangly thing, so you can find your page. And we're gonna staple it onto the bookmark. Have an adult to help you with this. Staplers are very sharp, and I do not want staples to be on your fingers and your hands. So we're gonna do that. Make sure it's like on top. And then staple. I'm gonna try to do this. It's a little hard. That got a lot of place. I will fix that. Okay, we're gonna put it right here. You can tape it if you want, but I feel like the staple holds it more. And there it is stapled on. It's looking so cute already, and we can decorate it and color it. So let's do it. Okay, there you go for your very own bookmark. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!